Move to a new home and need to update your address with Amex? If you're worried about missing statements or offers, you're not alone. Today, we're changing your billing address on your Amex account in just a few clicks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Keeping your address current ensures you receive your physical card, statements, if you get paper, and other important communications. The easy way: update it online. Log into your Amex online account or mobile app. Go to Account Services or Profile. Find the Personal Details or Address section. Here, you can edit your billing address and save the changes instantly. What it affects: statements and new cards. This new address will be used for all future mailings, including replacement cards and, if you're enrolled, paper statements. It's also the address merchants use for address verification. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: update your address before applying for a new Amex card. If you've recently moved and are planning to apply for another Amex card, update your address on your existing account first. This ensures the new application is matched to your existing profile correctly, which can sometimes help with approval. So, just like that, you can keep your account details accurate and secure. A simple address update goes a long way in preventing delivery issues and potential fraud alerts. Now I'm curious, do you still receive paper statements from Amex, or have you gone fully digital? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching.